Hey everyone, it's Leo here. Today we're diving into Unity and I'll show you how to navigate the Unity interface like a pro. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Alright, when you first open Unity, this is what you see. It can be a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, I'll break it down for you. Unity's interface is divided into several key areas. Let's take a look at each one. First we have the scene view. This is where you can visually manipulate objects in your game world. Next we have the game view. It is where you see what your game will actually look like to the players. You can switch between scene view and game view using these two tabs. Next we have the hierarchy window. Everything in your scene appears in this list. It's like the backbone of your project, showing you every element in your current scene. The next window is the inspector window. When you click on an object in your hierarchy or scene view, its details will show up here. This is where you can adjust the properties of your game objects. And down here is the project window. This is essentially the library of all assets available in your project. You can import new assets here, create folders, organize your files, and so much more. At the top you'll find the play controls for testing your game right inside Unity. The top menu has all these drop downs: file, edit, assets, game object, component, services, jobs, window, and help. Each contains various functions like saving your project, importing assets, or accessing special windows and settings. Now for some tips on making the most of the Unity interface. Use the layout drop down in the top right corner to switch between different window layouts based on what you're working on. You can customize this as you like. Right click on any window tab to detach it and rearrange your workspace. This can be really useful if you have multiple monitors. Remember to use the search bar in both hierarchy and the project windows to quickly find objects and files. And that's a wrap on the basics of navigating the Unity interface. Experiment with the layout to find what works best for you and keeps you productive. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Have questions? Drop them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.